Gentlemen, have you noticed your mornings aren't what they used to be? You used to wake up ready, strong, full of life, but now it's quiet, nothing. Before you chalk it up to age, let me tell you something crucial. Your body isn't broken. It's just whispering, "I've lost my power down there." But here's the amazing truth. You can bring it back. Tonight, I'm going to share a 4-step bedtime ritual that takes less than 5 minutes and can reignite what's been fading for years. No pills, no prescriptions, no gimmicks. The steps are simple, natural, and built around your body's own biology. The PowerPoint drain release clears pressure. The prostate rolling massage restores flow. The night breath lock reboots your hormones. The erection pump reset reminds your body how to respond. When blood flows freely again, everything changes: your strength, mood, drive, and yes, your morning wood. Before we dive in, comment below. Have your mornings been quieter than you'd like? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips to reclaim your health naturally. Here's a common misconception. Losing morning wood just comes with getting older. Actually, it's not age that's the main culprit. It's about circulation, nitric oxide, and pressure in the pelvic area. Let me break it down. While you sleep, your body cycles through REM sleep. When it begins repair mode, blood vessels expand, hormones balance, and deep inside your body, you go through spontaneous erections. Doctors call these nocturnal erections, and they're like an internal workout for your erectile tissue. They keep muscles, nerves, and blood flow strong. In your 20s, you might get 4 or 5 of these per night. By your 40s, that drops to 3. By 50s or 60s, maybe just 1 or sometimes none. It's not about desire. It's about blood flow and nitric oxide, the chemical that helps your vessels expand. By the time you hit 60, your nitric oxide levels can be almost half of what they were in your 20s, and that's why your mornings feel softer or slower. But here's the good news. Your body can fight back. You're not broken. You just need to remind it how to activate what it already knows how to do. Think of nighttime erections like maintenance checks for your lower body. When they stop, tissues stiffen, circulation slows, and responsiveness drops. But all of this can be reset naturally, and that's exactly what we'll do tonight. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, urologist with 5 years of experience in men's health. I've helped men over 50 reclaim their confidence, energy, and morning vitality. The truth is, your body remembers how to perform. You just need to send the right signals through circulation, oxygen, and gentle stimulation, not chemicals. Tonight, I'll guide you step by step through a bedtime ritual that clears pressure, restores flow, and trains your lower body to respond naturally. Step 1. PowerPoint drain release. Clear the pressure. Most men finish urinating and walk straight to bed, but there's always a small amount left behind near the prostate. Biologically, that leftover fluid can cause slight swelling, increasing pressure on blood vessels and making erections harder. Emotionally, you may feel tension you didn't know was there. Releasing it can bring a sense of lightness and relief. Practically, here's how. After peeing, don't walk away. Place 2 fingers in the soft spot halfway between your testicles and anus. Press upward gently for 3 to 5 seconds. You might notice a few extra drops release. This is the congestion clearing. Doing this nightly frees circulation, reduces inflammation, and prepares your erection mechanism for action while you sleep. Once pressure is cleared, we move to step 2, which revives circulation from the outside in. Step 2, prostate rolling massage restore flow. After the drain release, it's time to activate circulation externally. Biologically, this gently stretches pelvic floor muscles and massages the prostate, freeing blood flow trapped in the area. Emotionally, you'll feel lighter and more responsive, like your body is remembering how to move and relax. Practically, sit on a chair or edge of the bed. Place a tennis ball under the soft zone between testicles and anus, the perineum. Gently roll forward and backward for about 1 minute. This is a modern, comfortable version of internal therapy, safe to do at home. Within days, men report better control, stronger pulses, and deeper sleep. Pressure is cleared, circulation is restored. Now comes the step that locks in these benefits while you sleep. Step 3, night breath lock activate healing. This is where your body's natural repair systems kick in. Biologically, slow nasal breathing triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and repair mode. It opens blood vessels, increases nitric oxide production, and signals your body, it's safe. Time to heal. Emotionally, your mind calms, heartbeat slows, and you feel a sense of peace and readiness for repair. Practically, lie down, Close your eyes. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold briefly. Exhale through your nose for 6 seconds. Repeat 5 to 10 times. After a few nights, you may notice deeper sleep, stronger dreams, and even morning surprises. This step is free, simple, and incredibly effective. If you want to supercharge results, step 4 is the ultimate accelerator. Step 4. Erection pump reset reawaken muscle memory. This optional but powerful step reminds your body how to respond naturally, biologically. Using mild, controlled pressure draws blood into the erectile chambers, stretching and strengthening tissue. Doctors call it vascular rehabilitation. Emotionally, you regain a sense of confidence and control, not dependent on chemicals or pills. Practically, use a gentle pump, no extreme suction. A few short sessions per week. Consistency over intensity. Within 2 weeks, most men notice stronger, faster morning erections. Combined with steps 1 through 3, this reinforces circulation, nerve signaling, and tissue responsiveness. Stack these 4 steps every night. PowerPoint drain release, prostate rolling massage, night breath lock, optional erection pump reset. Start simple. Steps 1 through 3 take under 5 minutes. Observe changes. Better sleep, reduced pressure, renewed responsiveness. Build rhythm. Consistency is key. Perfection isn't necessary. Within a week, subtle changes appear. Within a month, your energy, focus, and confidence improve noticeably. Age isn't a full stop. Small, intentional habits can bring back comfort, freedom, and masculine vitality. Your body remembers how to perform it, just needed a reminder. Tonight, try the full ritual. Comment below, "I'm in," if you're ready to reclaim your mornings. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with a man who deserves to feel strong and alive again. Remember, your health isn't just about erections. It's about circulation, confidence, and reclaiming the spark that makes you feel alive. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and your best years aren't behind you, they're waiting for you to wake them.